Welcome back, everybody. I'm Crystal, Real Nesta, as you'll see at Real Nestas. And today, I'm welcoming you guys back for another unboxing and product review. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, you know we like to bring you the latest cool products or share with you guys our little mini Christmases, as I like to call it, when we order products. And then here on this channel, the Thomas family, we reviewed them for you. And if you'd like to also check out our James and Crystal channel where we do vlogs. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, we bringing y'all two YouTube channels. But today, I'm going to review this product. And if you like this product, check the link down below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And follow us at The Real Nestas on Instagram. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Guess what, guys? Got an unboxing for y'all. So, we're going to label this. Oh, sorry. This is Crystal Real Nesta coming to you on the Thomas Family channel where we do unboxing and reviews just for you. But anyway, we're going to label this the Christmas of ruinings. So y'all know we put a video out there. One of my husband's Christmas gifts came early, and so I just said, go ahead, baby, open it. So I guess he decided to return the favor. So today I'm home, and then there's a commotion outside, and then there's a whole package.
But wait a minute, babe. That makes us even, because remember the wine came, your early Christmas present for me.
Yeah,
and I saw it already, so we actually even. So, matter of fact, this counts for our Christmas Eve present, so we just don't do. We don't do no Christmas Eve present this year. These are our Christmas Eve presents.
So what had happened was, now how they gonna ship us whole beautiful box? They could at least wrapped it in paper, and then I wouldn't have known what it was. But anyway, okay. So, ladies and gentlemen, here's the beautiful box. They look like there's a little dinner right there. We watching them. And these are supposed to be all the beautiful things that you can put in there. So they says air fry. You can fry fries. They said wings, bacon, seafood, vegetables, reheat, keep warm, bake, roast, boil, and dehydrate. So anyway, this right here is actually a 8-quart, and it says serve 6+. Now, you guys know we did our previous air fryer. I bought it from Aldi's. So this one, the hubby got shipped in. I'm not specifically sure, but it don't matter where you got it from. But we didn't blow up the old one, but we used it on a regular basis. This one here is digital, and it's a 12 one-touch cooking functions. Cook anything from seafood to fries with just a tap. Easy setup controls. Angle touch interface with side-by-side temperature and time display. As y'all see, time display. Our other one didn't have that. So this one is fancy, ladies and gentlemen. See all these one-touch buttons here? They got a guiding cooking book, a dehydration mode. Now that's going to be new and interesting because our other one was way more simpler. It cooks up to 3 pounds of fries, nuggets, or wings. Interesting. And it's Spacious Capacity. I told you it's an 8-quart basket, stainless steel, elegant, durable design, fits any modern kitchen. Easy to clean, includes non-stick, dishwasher-safe basket, and a crisper tray. And they got a little link where you could go get recipes and things like that. But so it say, do you love to play with your food? They funny. We do. We believe that eating should be fun, healthy, and delicious. Craving chicken wings, cheesy pizza, crispy fries. Now, I did hear that and they didn't put that on here. I did hear that you could actually bake a cake in here, in your air fryer. I haven't tried. But anyway, let's get to the unboxing of this bad boy here. So, they didn't put handles on here. So, my hubby, you know, he was taking his time picking up the box. So, I had to bust it up a little. That's why I'm telling on you. Alright, guys. Let's see. I'm actually excited. I really love the air fryer. Seriously, I tell everybody about it. We done bought a couple of people air fryers. I told you it was a strap, babe. It was just down in there.
They had the tape over it.
See?
You got a book this time.
So I'm laughing because we've had ours about 2 years, the previous one. So this time we actually got one with a book, so I'm getting ready to expand my cooking as far as the air fryer. So now this is the basket that goes in the bottom. It looks real fancy. Let's see it swirl like a fan. Ooh. Anyway, I'm just kidding, y'all. I'm playing. Alright. So okay. Got a little weight to it. Woo! This is beautiful, you guys. Look how fancy. It's nice, stainless steel. It's actually pretty large. I don't know if the camera is really getting how large this one is, especially compared to our other one. So this is the inside, and how this goes. I know y'all know some people, you know, I being one of them, we don't like to read instructions. So you put this down in here, and that's how it's gonna look. So when this in here heats up, it hits the bottom of this, and it's actually literally cooking your food with air heat, like hot air, right? So I'm gonna do a little something. I'm gonna turn this little baby on for y'all. Now mind you, y'all seen I just got it out the box. It actually just showed up a few hours ago. Let's see if we can get this to work for you. Alright, I hear music. This is cute. The little power button has a little a little whisk in the center. And it's on. I have not read an instruction yet. But you can see all the things. See it say air fry. You can hit a button say wings, fries, bacon, vegetables. You can preheat it, stop, cancel, temperature time, start, a turn reminder. Oh, that's pretty cool. That's fancy. That's fancy, y'all. Roast, bake, broil, dehydrate, keep warm, and reheat. That's going to be interesting. And the other cool part I do like about this is that they did not put a whole bunch of plastic on the inside. So that's pretty cool. I'm not going to actually cook anything in here right now, but y'all, today is actually Sunday, so this actually came in at a good time because I usually do meal prep for the week. So maybe I'll have a little pop in and out sessions of me putting stuff in here, because my poor old one, hold on, I'm going to give y'all a little preview of my poor old one. So you guys, we love the family size one. I have to tell people, these are the side by side. This is our first one. And you see how simple this one was. Like, I'm not gonna lie though, I love the oval shape of it. But our temperatures was up the top here. And usually I didn't really bother that much. I did learn though, like, we love baking crescent rolls. I should have probably turned the temperature down when I was baking it in here. As you see, our dial started fading because this was the timer, so it was the temperature and the timer. And now my husband has upgraded me to this fabulous baby, and it's gonna be really nice. I'm gonna check it out. I love air fryers, and I'm gonna be honest with you guys, if you don't have one, you need to get this in your life. It just changes your life, especially for the summer. You know how when you want to bake something in the oven, it gets hot in the summertime. Like, using this, you're dealing with half of that. Frying chicken, literally I fried chicken in this bad boy with the flour and all of that, and it has come out beautiful. It takes a little longer depending on how thick the pieces are, but again, this one might work different because it has a chicken setting versus this one I had to figure out the temperature on. And I never had the book before. I have cooked salmon in here. I've cooked a lot. The only thing I haven't done honestly in here is bake a cake. But I heard that you can. So now that I have a book, thank you, Gourmia, I guess is how you pronounce it. And if it's not, you guys see the words. You can look it up. Y'all can comment down below, whatever you want. But this is the brand here. And they sent us a little book. That's cute. They send this. Don't set it on top of your stove. No, we don't. I honestly just really love it. I am very thankful for my new one. And this one is probably a little bigger than this one, because I think this one was 6 quarts. This one's 8 quarts. But yeah, you guys. So this is my unboxing of the Gourmia stainless steel air fryer. Comment down below if you guys have air fryers, if y'all had luck with it. Like I said, I know we bought people a lot of air fryers as gifts, and they never really got into it because you got to adjust your mind to use something new. But this is like a one-stop shop. Plug it in and go. So, and again, later I might let y'all peek in on me and my first couple of uses of this. The Thanksgiving holiday is coming up soon, so we'll see if I get around to baking a cake or something in this bad boy. So, you guys, as always, thank you for spending time with me. So yes, guys, we have 2 channels, The Real Nestas and Thomas Family. Check us out on both. Hit that bell, subscribe, follow us on Instagram, follow us on Twitter, follow us on Facebook, join our group. We're there for you guys, you know. Thank you so much. Peace.